Last summer, my family and I went to the beach. It was a beautiful Sunday morning. The sun was shining brightly. The sky was clear and blue. There was not a single cloud in the sky. My father said, "This is the perfect day for the beach." My mother agreed. My little brother, Sam, was so excited. He jumped up and down and screamed, "Beach! Beach! Beach!" We packed our car with everything we needed. My mother packed towels, sunscreen, and a big umbrella. My father packed the cooler with sandwiches, fruits, and cold drinks. Sam packed his toys. He took his bucket, his spade, and his favorite ball. I packed my book and my camera. I wanted to take lots of pictures. We drove for about an hour. Sam kept asking, "Are we there yet?" He asked the same question every 5 minutes. My parents laughed. I just rolled my eyes. Finally, we arrived. I could see the ocean in the distance. The water was a beautiful blue color. It sparkled in the sunlight. The sand looked soft and golden. I could hear the sound of the waves crashing on the shore. We found a good spot on the beach. It was not too close to the water and not too far. My father put up the big umbrella. My mother spread the towels on the sand. She took out the sunscreen and made us all apply it. "You don't want to get sunburned," she said. Sam complained, but he did it anyway. Then Sam ran toward the water. He was so happy. He screamed with joy. My father ran after him. "Wait for me, Sam," he shouted. They both ran into the water. I watched them splash and play. They were laughing and having so much fun. I decided to join them. I ran into the water too. It was cold at first, but then it felt nice. We played in the water for a long time. My mother stayed on the beach. She sat under the umbrella and read her book. She watched us play and smiled. She looked so happy and peaceful. Every few minutes, she would wave at us. We would wave back. After some time, I got tired. I went back to the towel and lay down. I felt the warm sun on my skin. I heard the sound of the waves. I felt so relaxed. I closed my eyes and took a deep breath. The air smelled like salt and sea. It was wonderful. My mother gave me a cold drink. "Are you enjoying yourself?" she asked. "Yes, Mom," I said. "This is the best day ever." She smiled and patted my head. Then Sam came running back. He was covered in sand. He looked like a sand monster. "Mom, Mom, look!" he shouted. "I found a shell, a beautiful shell." He held up a small white shell. It was small but pretty. My mother said, "That's lovely, Sam. Put it in your bucket." We had lunch on the beach. My mother made sandwiches and cut up fruits. We sat on the towels and ate together. The food tasted so good. Everything tastes better at the beach. We drank cold juice and ate chips. Sam got ketchup on his face. He looked so funny. We all laughed. After lunch, Sam wanted to build a sandcastle. I helped him. We made a big sandcastle with towers and a wall. Sam decorated it with shells and stones. He was very proud of his sandcastle. He showed it to our parents. "This is the biggest sandcastle on the beach," he said. My father said, "Yes, it's the best one I've ever seen." Then a big wave came and washed the sandcastle away. Sam was sad for a moment. His face fell. But then my father said, "Now we can build an even bigger one." Sam smiled again. We built another sandcastle. This time, we built it far from the water. Later, my father and I played catch with a ball. We threw the ball back and forth. Sam tried to join us, but he wasn't very good. He dropped the ball many times, but we didn't care. We were having fun. We laughed and played until we were tired. My mother took out her camera and took pictures. She took pictures of us playing in the water. She took pictures of our sandcastle. She took pictures of the beautiful sunset. The sky was turning orange and pink and purple. It was magical. Then it was time to go. We packed everything back into the car. Sam was tired. He fell asleep in the car on the way home. I was tired too. I looked out the window and watched the sunset. The sky was so beautiful. That night, I lay in my bed. I thought about the day. I smiled. It was a perfect day. a day at the beach with my family. Nothing could be better. That was a day I will never forget.